about the drop. Here, sold 5. I'm holding 5 into the highs. I think we're gonna take that highs and continue higher. So we're on a track to turn this day into green day. Yeah, let's just hold this now. I mean, definitely they will push into this 50. Perhaps I should close something up here. But at the same time, this was just a drop to take us higher. We could go even 53. Yeah. That's how I see it. A lot of shorts jumped on that move to the downside. I was one of them. But I closed too early. 49. Drop from 48 to 41. Now we can get a push into 54. It's like typical behavior of the market. Drop and then boom, goes even higher. There's a possibility that we can get down here. Especially at 49, somebody's just adding here. But on the short side. But at the same time, I need to hold to this 50. Because they grabbed all the shorts. It's 2 more points. We'll have to sell something.
Order submitted.
There's no other way. $49, $49.75. A lot of liquidity up there. It's 1:35 for New York time. Let's see. Big boys. Yeah. Still buying. Street was selling to the downside and they left. Holding the bag on the short side. There we go. Let's get something out into that push. But at the same time, something is telling me like, you know what? Just leave it run. Leave this running. Just leave this running. This is your 5 MES. Keep it running because we can go to 52 and then once we crack this, we can start to speed up. Especially when you look at that thing here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this. There's no liquidity up here. It's just basically low resistance long. Up to 60 really, 58. You got the high, RTH high. Let's just switch this to RTH. Yeah. 58 really. This is how far we can go. 10 more points. No liquidity up there. Zero. Look at that. No liquidity here. It's like once we break that 50, we go to 55. Split second. Go to 60 even. So I want to hold this and see how far I can go on that. At the moment we have what? 3 points. Yeah, you have to withstand any kind of pullback, so it's gonna happen. 47, 46. I like that. Let's watch time and sales. Somebody bought 48.25. That's good. I like that. I'm just thinking like, god damn it, add into this thing. I should be adding, to be honest, on that pullback here. Well, let's just do one more thing. Hold it and see how far we can go. Because we can get acceleration into 60. Even when you just measure this move. This is pretty much what the measured move says. 58. It's gonna be 13 points. I'm gonna be very happy with that. Just kind of trying to catch that long. Man, it was so difficult to do it here. I thought we might go and grab that. When we pushed higher. Then we went back into this liquidity. There's always a danger that we could come back down, but I don't think we're gonna do it now. Not after a drop like this. No. I don't think this liquidity will be traded here. I don't think so. Plus cost removed from this trade. No. Let's see. Let's go. Low resistance in front of us. Low resistance. As we could see here. Low resistance. See that? No resistance here. Should just pump it. I think Nasdaq is already trading at all-time highs. Is it? Yeah, just broke all-time highs. Nasdaq at this point. Let's go, baby. Need to catch up with Nasdaq. You need to catch up with Nasdaq. Don't you come back down now. The only way is up. 53 is waiting, 55. And slowly we'll see other liquidity will be added here at the high levels. God damn it. Really? Really, you want me to take that? Unbelievable.
Stop filled.
Can we do? What can we do? It just went down to take me. Just enough to take me out. That's when this happens. What do we see here?
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
try one more time. I know it's a bit. It's not what I wanted, but I just don't see this going lower at this point. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We'll pay for that. We should just squeeze through this 53. Hmm. Just waiting for full hour, I think. 13 more minutes. Street is selling, big boys are buying 1,300. It's looking decent. It's almost 2 o'clock. 11 minutes to 2 o'clock. New York time. Mercerous long. That's what it is. Mercerous long. Shouldn't go lower than that, to be honest. $46. Liquidity was waiting at 46. 47, 48, 49. Nothing on 49. Let's see if we're gonna take that 50. Okay, liquidity from the bottom disappeared. So they're no longer interested. Or they don't believe we can get down there. We took 50. Almost. We need to get a squeeze to 52. 51, 52. It's going to be thick right now. But what they've done with this drop, they have collected all of that liquidity which was here, built it up. They dropped it, pushed, sold a little bit, drop again, just to make sure everybody's out. They took me out. Now they can pump it up. Now they can push it higher. Still 50 holding. This is a low resistance in front of us, so once we break all of that, we're gonna go. We are going to push. But we need to break for about 6 more minutes on this period. It's gonna be 2 o'clock. And hopefully we're gonna get a nice push to 55. 55, 57, we'll see how far. I mean, we can go up to 57. I have a high of the day at 58, which is in here. Just make sure it is at the correct place. Remove that. Yeah. That's what it is. So we had that launch manipulation. If you look at that, or maybe even like 5 minutes, it's better to look at 5 minutes here. Not much of the drop, but enough to collect. I think we could do additional manipulation just in front of the PM. All right, let's see if we get what I was thinking about. If we get that 55. Wish I could stay here. They took me out. Let's go. 700, 505. Street is still short. Big boys are pumping. That's what you want to see. Street got that wrong. And now I should put my stop loss break even, but four minutes. Okay, I'm putting my stop loss here. Squeeze. They can wake me out to give a little bit of space. $52, $53, $54, $55. This all can be taken before 2 p.m. They want to. 52.75 is quite a level. I'm not sure if I'm not gonna close that. At least some.
Order submitted.
Just in case. Are you gonna push into my order? Into my target?
Order filled.
Let's take something. I can write the rest. And if we pull lower, then I'm gonna buy more. 2 more minutes. Squeezing. That's what I want to see. Technically speaking, this should go to 60. Sorry, 58. This is where we have the one of the levels. All-time high, to be honest. That's where we have the all-time high. Yeah, it's a bit of problem here. 52.75, problem 53. That's a problem. It should be. It should be. Okay. 7 p.m. London time. 2 p.m. New York. Let's see what they're gonna do now. The street is selling. Big boys are buying. I'm really tempted to add. But I want to see us go through 52.75 and hold. And this again can stop me. Street is selling. Big boys 1,600. I'm actually interested. Are they going to be buying here? Are they going to be selling? Street is selling. Street is buying. We'll see in a few minutes. Big boys are buying. Street is selling. Good. That's what you want to see. We are too close from all-time high, and Nasdaq is already ripping into it. Is it? Almost there. I mean, it has bridged all-time highs. Yeah, we took that 53. Good. Let's see if we're gonna get a continuation or we're gonna dump now. 55, it's there. I'm not gonna add anything, I'm just gonna hold this. I wanna see all-time highs. Somebody came really big. But just for a split second. 54.25, next level. We're going on the full speed. Big boys are buying. Street is buying as well. Everybody's buying right now. Alright, 55, approaching 55 now. Back to 53.25. I remember this kind of days used to be a disaster in my trading. And this thing was just keep going up and up and up. I called it, it's called a short squeeze obviously, but I called it merciless long because it was just merciless. Merciless. It was killing me. And the trick is just to buy something on MES and hold it really. Anyway, here was a good buy. I don't think we're gonna drop below here. All-time high is too close. 47, 48, waiting. Obviously, there's always someone waiting to get in. Low resistance in front of us. Okay. A bit of pullback again. They can't go through this, so they're pulling a little bit lower. Shorts will follow, and then whoop. Well, what are we doing now? They bought it immediately. They bought it low. It's a 15-minute candle. I don't think we're gonna get down there. I know. This is waiting, but I think they're just preparing for another push higher. I'm gonna buy more here.
Order submitted.
Mm. 90, somebody sold 90 contracts sold.
Order cancelled.
We'll do it differently. Let me stop. let them stop me. And we can go and buy cheaper. If it bounces off that level. There's a danger that we can just go through this and continue higher and continue low. That would be a disaster. Was it like a 4-point drop? Okay, so now if you are short, what you gonna do? You're gonna panic. You are going to panic. You are shorting the top. There you go. Squeeze. 73, wow, 52, 50, 73 sold. Still selling that. Now we have time, we have 2 hours to close. I still think a push to 55 is possible. Big boys plus 262. Let's go. Waiting for that 15 minutes to close. And most likely we'll push through that 54. There's not much resistance there. Just gonna use they will use short stop losses basically. Whoever was shorting this now has got a stop loss somewhere here. I just need to bring that higher, trigger stop losses, and boom, we're going up. The market is trying to push higher. That's the direction of the market. so we have to hold longs. Again, some selling. 2 more minutes. If I'm stopped, I'm gonna buy lower. Hmm. "47 seconds on this 15 minutes candle. We do have a bottom here, 47, and we have bottom here, 46. I'm aware of that. Oh, we might drop down there. It looks like we're gonna go there.
Order filled.
I'm taking this. Okay. I think we're gonna go and grab that now. They have time. They don't need to run this at this point. It is 2:15. They have 1 hour and 45 minutes to get to all-time highs. Can buy more. Yeah. I think we're going for this 47 now. 47 is gonna be 47.75. But I'm not gonna show this. It's too dangerous. Too dangerous. Target is still all-time high. Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. What Nasdaq did. This is Nasdaq. All-time high on Nasdaq. And that's it. ES needs 68. $68.50. But this is RTH, all-time high, 58. So Nasdaq is ahead of US. Okay. I'm gonna stop this video here, pause it, and then we'll come back at the end of the day. So they did push through this just before the period close. Got still 2 minutes. So let's wait. I'm not sure about this, to be honest, because 246, 105. It's a bit lethargic. But who knows? Yeah, I closed my long here. Anyway. Okay, we have at the bottom of the hour. 2:30 New York time, 7:30 London time. Let's see what they're gonna do. So here's the top. They grabbed the liquidity and now they created a top. At 1 hour and a half till close. Are they gonna just keep going up? Are we gonna dump it now? To grab that liquidity from here. From there, basically. From 49.
Seeing NYMEX WTI crude July futures settle at $74.07 a barrel, which is up 82 cents or 1.12%. Diesel July futures settling at $2.30. Gasoline July futures at $2.35.
NQ at all-time highs again.
And NYMEX natural gas July futures settle at $2.75.
Well, it didn't take the previous high yet. I don't know. I think 1 hour and a half. They could play dirty tricks somewhere here, you know, like just turn around.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro.
Well, if I'm not gonna get into it, I'm not getting into it. It's alright. I'm not gonna chase this up here. Should have kept that long. Low resistance liquidity now. Look at it. Boom. And that's what you get. Crazy spike like that.
Order
Let's
failed.
fucking try.
Extending gains here.
See
S&P
how far we can
500 up
go.
a whole percent now.
If we can go higher. Got the momentum behind. No. We have momentum behind. We get sold into this
Russia's Putin
blue
says
line
Russia
that I was
and
talking
China will
about, so
continue
I'm a
holding
bit
joint military drills.
Yeah. Chasing along up there. Big resistance at 58. 58 is that high from, I don't know, 23rd of May or something like that. But I don't think we took all the stops with that little push. We got to 60, right? So I don't think this is all done yet. $60, 25, 61, 61, 75, 62. I just need to push for this 58. Big boys 430, 415. Try not to buy it. Okay, 447. This could be a nice momentum trade. If we take this 58.75 and start to push towards 62. See if we're gonna get some craziness. Pump.
And Saudi Arabia sets July Arab light crude oil official selling price to Asia at plus $2.40 versus Oman Dubai average, according to Aramco. And Saudi Arabia sets July Arab light crude oil official selling price to
8.75 now
Northwest
trading.
Europe at plus $3.10 versus the ICE Brent average, according to Aramco.
Let's see if trend is my friend. Liquidity is up to 61, 75, 62.
And Saudi Arabia sets July Arab light crude oil official selling price to United States at plus $4.75 versus ASCII. And Brent crude futures settle at $78.41 a barrel. That's up 89 cents or 1.15%.
Street is selling. Big boys are holding. Well, it's 58.75, so really, really strong. I keep adding into it. All right. Popped. The gate is open. $58.75 again. Push for it. There we go. Lovely. Struggling at 60. $61 is flashing. It's a trending day. Should continue into the close. At least another, I don't know. See this liquidity here. See liquidity up here, 65. This is where market should go. We'll see. See if they're... And I'm kind of happy with holding this. It's kind of struggle right now, but once we push through this 60, you can go to the 65 really fast. No resistance up here. So bear in mind, there's no resistance up here. No previous resistance. Oh, come on, let's go up. Yeah, we know there's a 65 waiting something, right? Yeah. Let's get a nice push now. It was a 15-minute candle. I want that spike to 65, like 61, 62, 63. Up. It can happen. Really? Hmm. 58.75 again. Are we going to squeeze or are we going to drop first? How about now? Yeah, 65. Looks like we could get that. Nasdaq is pumping up already into autumn highs. Yes, it's lagging. $59.75, 60. It's a big number there.
And crude oil futures rise by more than $1 to $78.53 a barrel in post-settlement trade.
Hmm. 6 more minutes till power hour. Meta going up, Tesla even going up, and the video is pumping. Let's go. Possible 68 all-time high overnight, obviously. Mhm. Let's watch that. 4 minutes. So we're gonna get a push. $68 would be nice. Three minutes. One minute and 30 seconds. One minute. Okay. Manipulation before the push. Let's see. Forty seconds. I'm not happy with this. But what can I do? They did grab this liquidity already. They don't need to go lower unless they want to
Treasury
really dump it.
Department buyback targets coupons maturing 2044 to 2054 and accepts 20 of 30 eligible issues in the debt buyback.
Order filled.
What? I bought it or I sold it?
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service
Order
for the
filled.
price of 1 month and save 92%.
Yeah. No, let's push now.
Order filled.
Buy one more time. One more
Order
time.
filled.
Let's go. Let's go to the 65. Manipulation before the push to make sure they have everything. No, I should squeeze. Go for 60, then we have 61, 62, and then 64, 5. Have to go for 60 first. You can really measure this move to from here to there. This is how far we can go. Technically speaking, 1000 looking good. Let's hold this. $61. Plenty of liquidity up there. Big boys 1,221, so they are buying it. Stop loss below that low. If we go below this low, trade is over. Let's push. Come on. Are you joking? How many times I was in profit today and didn't take it? God damn it. Really? Okay, fine. I'm gonna take that loss. It goes lower, it goes lower. Okay. It is liquidity up there, and until this liquidity is not taken at 61, 62, 63, I'm not gonna close this. They need to get up there. It's gonna be a struggle. It's a lot of profit taking here. But I just hope they're not gonna pull it lower. If they do, then I'm out. They don't need to go lower. If they go lower than that, that means we are going lower actually. That's what it means. They go lower than that. Where are my stop losses? $56.5 flushing. I hate that. Don't flush here. How long have I been in the trade? Oh. Half an hour. Now take them up. No. Okay, squeeze them now. $61.75, please. Próxima estación. I don't know how is it. 75. Squeeze them now.
Nvidia overtakes Apple in market value as 2024 gains hits 147%.
Come on.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with
It's
Financial
going
Juice
so
Pro.
well.
Now only $99 a year
Okay,
for
15
our
minutes.
real-time service.
15 minutes candle. But we got 50 seconds. Let's see if they're gonna extend it. Over the top. 60.75. Come on, baby. Come on, just go. You're making me tired. At least the 63 we should get.
Order submitted.
Could close something there. I don't know. 63. It's tough. Really tough. Big boys only 999. Okay, 1020. That's better. Street is selling, which is good. That's what we want to see. Street is selling. Minus 700. Big boys are holding. Street is selling. That's the good pattern. I'm talking about this here. That's a good pattern. I can see 20 plus. 20 on the buy side. So we can squeeze the street. Come on, push it. I'm so tired of this. Come on, push. You know what's gonna happen? We're just gonna fight with this for another 15 minutes. And then in the last 5 minutes, we're gonna have a squeeze, like a massive squeeze. 10-point squeeze. No. Okay.
Order
I'm
canceled.
gonna take 2. Just to take something, because... Alright. There we go. $61.75. Patience. I did sell into that 15-minute candle, but I think we can just squeeze into the 64 now. Basically get a massive push. Massive 4 points. $61.75 waiting. Wow. Another pullback. 2 lower shorts. No really a reason to go lower at this point, because they have collected. With that push, they have collected that liquidity. They collected that liquidity. Now we have liquidity, but every single drop is a week. There's not much liquidity here. We should get a push into the 64. Maybe they're just waiting for another 9 minutes to accumulate more. Nasdaq is pumping even higher. Let's have a look. This is where Nasdaq is. See that? And this is where ES is. Nasdaq already making new high. ES is still below. 68 is possible. It is possible. Liquidity is here. Look at that. 370. Yeah, definitely we're gonna try to go through the 65 and boom, push it into 67. This is end of day rally kind of situation, in my opinion. I don't really think there's any reason whatsoever to go down there. They have collected liquidity up here with that push. Then we had wicks. Then we had this. We dropped it. No. We have trap shorts down here. They want out. I used to be a short like that somewhere here. Shorting, thinking market's gonna drop because it's already so high. But it's just a hope. No, let's wait then. Manipulation before the push. That's how I see it. So now they took basically whoever was long here. They took that long. I mean, okay, one more tick here. Alright, now they have it. Should go up. Shouldn't drop lower. We should not drop lower now at this point. Big boys 1000. 142. I know they can do that, like a nasty drop. I know they can do it at the same time. Hmm. 5 more minutes. We know they do this kind of stuff before the push. Why they do that? They just allow the all the shorts to get out. I mean, to load the short at the cheaper price. So they're following the price. Now is the question: should I hold this or should I give it up? I'm gonna
Stop them.
fuck. Stop me up. You stop me, motherfucker. I want
Order
to be
filled.
back. Fortunately, same price. The same price. Same price. But I got stopped, unfortunately, no. Oh, 48. Is this what you want to do? Really? Got some sellers. 30. I don't know. Three more minutes. Well, now they grabbed everything. I'm not sure now. One minute. Should push into the 62 to sell. But there's a bit of pressure on the sell side. It's a fair value gap here, bullish one. They grabbed it 15 minutes. 2 15-minute candles. Alright, 8:30. 3:30, London, New York. Let's see. They're gonna pull it now. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add a thing going up. Half an hour. Big boys 1429. Squeeze into 70. Fast. Yeah. $29 minutes till close. $52 is waiting. Let's see if they're gonna give it to them. Looks like they want to go there. A lot of shorts. Closing position, using opportunity to get out. Let's see if we're gonna push into the 62. $65 actually. It's waiting there.
Order
Telling you,
filled.
I'm out. Maybe I made a wrong decision, but this 52 is still waiting here. It's possible that we can get down there. So I'm gonna buy at 52 if I can get it.
Order submitted.
Mm. Bumping high. Yeah. It's just I got manipulated out of the position. Outmaneuvered. Street is quite high. Hmm. Outmaneuvered. Let's see if this 52 is gonna be trading. Yeah, still got 23 minutes. They can go down to take this 1,500 street contracts. Delta. $52. Big number, 38, 20. The big boys are selling. Yeah. I think they're gonna push through this, and after that we can dump.
Order cancelled.
I think I'm done. Big boys are selling. Street is buying. One more drop. 52. Looks like it. And now you're ending up shorting this. Right? I should be long. I should be this long. There's a lot of liquidity up there waiting. Look at that. Up to 70. Was it 12? Fair value gap. Drop to 52. Got this algo at 8:45. It's gonna make this empty. That means that we can drop to this 52.
Order
Let's
submitted.
try to catch that. 2 more minutes. I don't want to short this because we can get a wick. It will stop me out. It's 52. 52. Oh. 4 minutes, 1 minute, and I don't know. 1 minute. 52.5. Let's see. "24 seconds. And nothing.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Wanted more than one.
Order filled.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go to this 52. Why? 53. Yeah. Five 25.
Order submitted.
$51 waiting. Just go down. 1 more minute still, another algo. Should get like a nice flash to the bottom. Come on, get down there. I know. Shorts are getting up. Have I been tricked? 11. Liquidity is there.
Order filled.
So we're looking now to the market on close imbalance.
Order
S&P
filled.
500 seeing a sell side of 1.1 billion.
Too greedy.
Nasdaq 100 sell side 285 million to the sell side. Dow 30 170 million to sell. With the Mag
Should
7
go long
all sales up
immediately.
almost 200 million.
10 more minutes.
Order
Let's go
filled.
long. Let's see. We can get something. Because this can be a very nice push into that 70. We're talking about all day. Right. Not gonna allow.
Order
Okay, we're
filled.
gonna take 2. Let's see if we're gonna get a squeeze now. I'm gonna be stopped. Should get a squeeze to 65 and then go to 70. So
Do you
really
want to
should
stay up to date
squeeze
with
now.
the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
That's just to cover it into this highs. I don't know. Liquidity is 63, 75, 63. Let's see if we can get that.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
take that. So it's all right. Plus 200. Pretty happy with that maneuvers here. That was a smart play into this algo at 8 o'clock, 8:45, 8:50. Unfortunately, we didn't get what we wanted, but we closed 4. We didn't make any money on the last 2. Now this whole thing is just pushing. So what we can do, we have 2 more minutes. Sorry, 7 more minutes, and I think we're just gonna go to 70.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna go long here. Let's see. That's gonna happen. Just 2 contracts. MES. So, you know, close of day, rip. So they have collected a lot of liquidity here. The drop allowed them to get in. And okay, they have sold now, but there's a liquidity waiting. So they need to go up there. They should go up there. 65, 66, 67. Yeah, 67 probably. I mean, that was the measured move, right? See what is happening at the end of the day. It's just so easy to move the market. Before we were just struggling, trying to go high and we couldn't. $65, $66, $67, $68. We have 5 more minutes. Are we gonna get to 70? Are we going to get to 70?
Order
It's gonna
filled.
close one. Stop loss. Break even on the second one. That's it. Nice.
Target filled.
Thank you. I'm done. I know this can push higher. Look at this 4,000 delta. Wow. 4,000, 3,000. Crazy. Craziness. Okay, if you get a pullback, got 3 more minutes. 60 is a pullback.
Order
Try to buy
submitted.
this. At 60. Two more minutes. Okay.
Order canceled.
Forget it. Forget it. The way they can play this is market's gonna pull lower, and after close they will push it higher. So we can still pull it to 360 I ain't even know. 1 minute. 50 seconds till the bell. Closing bell. So yes, we are up today on the student paid account. It was my 8th day. I don't know why Apex is not updating. Yesterday I'm up. Yeah, after all the commissions it will be different. After commissions it's like $100 up. I took some losses. That's okay. We did trade ES, and we have the last 2 days on this account here. So I'm gonna trade only MES tomorrow. Okay, market is closed. We never pushed into this 70. We do have all-time high or not? We didn't have all-time high. No, we didn't have. No, why is this so awkward?
S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite register record closing highs.
Record closing highs. On regular trading hours, we have made new high. So you can see this here. But fucking hell. 1,800. What a crazy number. Nasdaq has made a new high. Tesla dying. Meta pushed up. Amazon holding nicely. Nvidia is the main driver. Beautiful push. Yeah. Okay, guys. Finishing this video. We have 2 today. AM session and afternoon session. Afternoon session came out pretty good. Made all the losses. I was down $180 on this account. Take care. This is Trap Trader. See you tomorrow. Bye.